Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to this lesson about alphabet, reviewing the alphabet letters and sounds that each letter makes. I'm going to hold up a card, and if you'd follow along with me and say the letter and the sound each card makes. So we're going to start with letter A. A. Apple. A. Ape. B. Bear. C. Cat. C. Celery. D. Dog. E. Egg. Ear. F. Fish. G. Gate. Giraffe. H. Hat. I. Iguana. Ice cream. J. Jack in the Box. K. Kite. L. Leaf. M. Moon. N. Nest. O. Octopus. O. Ocean. P. Pig. Q. Queen. R. Ring. S. Sun. T. Turtle. U. Umbrella. U. Unicorn. V. Vacuum. W. Window. X. X-ray. Y. Yo-yo. Z. Zipper. Okay, that's the end for alphabet review. I hope you keep practicing at home, and I will talk to you next time.